my respectful, responsible, and safe rockets. I am so glad to see you again. So here on the board, make sure you have your clean sheet of paper and your notes out if you need them. And we're going to work on describing some of these shapes. Oh, you notice I not only have triangles up here, I also have some quadrilaterals. So we're going to work on describing some of these quadrilaterals. So go ahead, don't worry about trying to draw them all right now. Just draw number one down. Draw number one, put a number one and draw it. Okay? Well, what is this shape? Ask yourself, how am I going to describe it? Is it a triangle? 3 sides, 3 vertices, 3 angles? No, I don't think it's a triangle. Is it a quadrilateral? Quadrilaterals, quadrilaterals. 4 sides, 4 vertices, 4 sides, 4 vertices. 4 angles, 4 angles. Some are parallel, some are parallel. Some are perpendicular, some are perpendicular. Well, it's a quadrilateral. Side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4. Vertex 1, vertex 2, vertex 3, vertex 4. Right? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Oh, why did I put those square corners there? Because they are right angles. So I know I can describe this as a quadrilateral. What else can I describe it as? Ah, a rectangle. Are those the only 2 ways I can describe it? Well, I know quadrilaterals, perpendicular lines, right? And parallel lines. Oh, so I can describe it as parallel and perpendicular. Oh, what else? Look at the angles. Oh, I can describe it as having right angles. Starting to make sense? Do you agree with any of those descriptions? All right, let's move on. I want us to describe number 2. Is it a quadrilateral? 4 sides, 4 vertices, 4 angles? Some are parallel, some are perpendicular. Is it a triangle? 3 sides, 3 vertices, 3 angles. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Vertex 1, vertex 2, vertex 3. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. So first thing I'm going to describe it is as a triangle. Great job. I'm going to describe it as a triangle. What else can I describe it as? I see 2 sides are the same length and 1 side is different. Equilateral triangle? Scalene triangle, the score is 0? None of the sides are the same? 2 sides are the same. Ice, ice, baby. So I can describe it as an isosceles triangle. So it's a triangle, and specifically an isosceles triangle. Oh, let's look at the angles. Trace it on the outside. Trace it on the inside. What kind of angle do you see there? Obtuse, right, or acute? Oh, it's coming in. So I'm going to describe it as having an acute angle. Do we agree with that? Check out the others. See if we have more acute angles. Now, let's look at this shape. Wonder what it is. Triangle or quadrilateral? Ha-ha! 4 sides, 4 vertices, 4 angles. So I can describe this as a quadrilateral. Well, wait a minute. I notice that all my sides are the same length. Oh, that's the way I can describe it. All sides are the same length. Do I have any parallel lines? Parallel, parallel. Yeah. Well, wait a minute. If it's a quadrilateral, all the sides are the same. It's got parallel lines, but it's not having any right angles. It's not a square. It's in the square family, but I can also describe it as a rhombus. Making sense? Now I need for you to draw 4, 5, 6, and 7. Describe them just like we did, all the ways that you can. Is it a triangle? Is it a quadrilateral? If it's a triangle, is it isosceles? Is it equilateral? Is it a scalene? Does it have any right angles? Does it have obtuse or acute angles? If it's a quadrilateral, does it have parallel lines? Does it have perpendicular lines? Does it have right angles, obtuse angles? Describe them. Draw 4, 5, 6, and 7. Describe them in as many ways as you can. Till tomorrow, Rockets.